colorful, vibrant, and instantly recognizable. Meet the flamingo, nature's living brushstroke. Flamingos are large, wading birds in the order Phoenicopteriformes. They belong to the family Phoenicopteridae, which contains 6 species across the genera. Phoenicopterus, greatest American flamingos, Conanius, lesser flamingo, and Phoenicopteridae and James flamingos. The iconic pink color comes from carotenoid pigment in the algae and crustaceans they eat. To feed, they sweep their uniquely shaped beak upside down through water filtering food with tiny lamellae, an engineering marvel of nature. Flamingos are keystone species in shallow wetlands and salt plants. By stirring sediments, they recycle nutrients, boost algae growth, and create habitats for fish and invertebrates. Their presence signals a healthy, balanced ecosystem. A drop in flamingo numbers can trigger algal overgrowth, reduced water quality, and loss of biodiversity. Predators and other water birds that rely on some food web also suffer, leading to ecosystem collapse. Flamingos teach us balance, literally standing on one leg to conserve heat, and metaphorically showing that thriving together requires harmony, adaptability, and standing out while staying connected.